Hi, welcome back. This is the sixth video of this Java programming series, and in this video, we'll be discussing on the term methods. So, methods is nothing but what we call as functions in C and C++. So, what do you mean by the term method? So, imagine method is nothing but a block of code, which means two or more lines of code that will be enclosed within curly braces. That curly braces part of code will be having a name. So, it will be separated. So whenever it is needed, we can call it with this name in the code. So it may or may not have parameters, and it may or may not have return type. So we will see an example code in Eclipse IDE. So just initializing buffer reader to read input from the user. Right. So the concept is very simple. We are going to get length and breadth from the user, and finally we will calculate the area of the rectangle and print to the user. So this is the objective of this code, but this objective will be met with the help of a method called as calculate area. So first we will write the concept. The first thing, get input from the user. So this line will prompt the user to enter length, and this will get the entered value. And this will prompt the user to enter breadth value, and this will receive the breadth value and save it in the variable named breadth. So now we have got all the values required. So we will declare a variable named area, and that will be double. So to calculate area, what is the formula? So this is the concept actually, and we have not yet touched the method part. So first we will run the code and then come back to creating a method. So it is prompting user to enter length and breadth. So finally area of the given rectangle is. So as of now the concept is correct. Now we are going to convert the part that calculates the area of the rectangle to a method. So as far as this part is concerned, public double calculate area int a comma int b. So let me explain each part of this method. This is the return type. Return type is nothing but uh, so as we already told, method is a part of or block of code written inside curly braces with a name, and it will do some work. Whenever it is called, it will complete a work, complete the instruction given inside the code, and return some value if it is mentioned as some data type here. So if I have mentioned here as double, so it is supposed to return double value after completing the execution. If at all I give something like void, so the method is supposed to just execute alone and does not return any value. So as per this concept is concerned, we need this method to calculate the area of the rectangle and return the area value to the main method. So we will return, we will add double as return value. So public means it can be accessed by this class. Public double, name of the method is calculate area, and these two are parameters or arguments, int a and int b. So which means whenever we call this method, we are again supposed to give two values, that is length and breadth, and both should be integer value. Return a star b, simple. So this is a method. So to call a method from a class must be either static. The method must be either static, or we must create an object for that particular class. So static method will be discussed later in further videos. So as of now, we will create an object for this main class. M object dot calculate area method. So this is the method we have mentioned here. So instead of a, we have to give length. Instead of b, we have to give breadth. So this length and breadth will be automatically labeled as a and b when the values are passed it on to here, and then a star b will be calculated and returned as double value to the place where it is called. So it is called here. So the output will be printed along with the value of the rectangle. Calculated area is some value. So the program is as simple as that. We will run and check the output of this program. So again, we will be prompted to enter length, breadth, and the calculated area of the rectangle is 2000. So the points to be noted, or the thing to be noted from this code is it is a simple code that calculates the area of the rectangle, so that is not necessary to note now. The thing to be noted here is the method we have created here. So this video is about what is method. So a method is nothing but collection of codes or block of code enclosed with curly braces, and it holds a name. So once it holds a name, it can be called whenever it is needed by the main method or main class, whatever it may be. So it may or may not have arguments or parameters, and it may or may not have return type. So this is the explanation of methods in Java, and this is also called as functions in C and C++. So that functions is here called as methods in Java. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting us.